What's up, y'all? So I'm over here today with a special guest, Kingsley. So Kingsley's been on the boat a couple times, had his sea legs going on. He literally had been in a choppy water when he was a puppy. Now I have not taken him jet skiing ever, so we're gonna see how this goes. If you have a dog that loves jet skiing, comment below. Go to my IG, send me a picture. But here he goes. You look so fancy, Kingsley, with your vest on. Are you ready? Are you ready, handsome? Let's move. Come on over here. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Oh, good job. There you go. Good time. Good job, handsome. Stay. Stay. No. Stay. Good job. Good boy. Huh? You're doing a good job, baby. Hold on, I don't want you to scratch. He's really enjoying it so far. Poodle, going jet skiing. Able to handle the no wake zone. That's good. And good boy. Good job. There you go. Come on, jump.
Big ass Poodle.
Come on, Books. Vamos, vamos, baby. He's like this, no.
Like, I don't know.
No. You have Corona?
Yeah.
That's
To go for another ride, we'll take it slowly. Come on, 1 foot at a time. Okay, sit down. Sit. 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 Good boy. There, there. Stay. Sit there. Handsome, move up. Good boy. Stay. Good job. You're doing good. I've got this handsome boy for the first time riding a ski. Hey. My legs to make sure it's okay. But are you liking it, Kingsley? You like it? He loves the wind in his hair, and I've never taken him swimming before, but it may be time. Introduce him to the bridge over here at Extreme. Kingsley, look at that. Look at this. Look right there. Go on. Handsome? Handsome? Good boy, good boy. Good job. There you go. Your shoe. No, I've been trying to. Come on. What are these? Freaking. Ooh, watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out, watch out.